Conversation between two friends about going to cinema hall to watch a movie. Hi, Jerry. Are you interested in movies? Yes. I love watching movies a lot. What about you? Do you love them? Yes, I do. So, I have decided to go to a movie today. Do you want to come with me? Is your family going with you? No. They aren't. Okay. I want to come with you. But which movie are you going to watch? It is a Hindi movie. It has been released a few weeks ago. Oh. I heard about that. But I am not that much interested to watch Hindi films. Why don't you like Hindi movies? I like Hindi movies. But right now, I used to watch English animation movies mostly. That's great. Do you have any specific intention behind it? Yes, I have. Can you share that with me? Yeah, of course. First of all, I am pretty weak in English, and I need to improve it. In the English movies, they show it with big subtitles. It improved my listening and reading ability. That's great. I also want to learn English. But I never thought that I can learn that watching movies. By the way, I love animation movies too. Then why don't we go to watch an animation movie? Yes, we can. I know. A cinema hall is showing a new movie right now. If you want, then we can go there and watch the film. Yeah. I want, and I would love to watch that movie with you. Thanks for your suggestion though. You are welcome, Jerry. What time does it start? It is 6 p.m. Will you come and pick me up? What time? I think we should get there early, because they may sell all tickets. Is it 5 p.m. okay? Yes. That will be fine. I will meet you at your house at 5 p.m. Do you want to get something to eat before the movie? I am not sure there will be enough time for that. We can have popcorn and cold drinks at the theater, if you want. I don't like popcorn. Okay then. I will pick you up a little earlier, and we can go to the 5-star restaurant next to the cinema hall. Is that okay? Yes. I like that place. If you like this video, so don't forget to like and share my video. Please press the bell icon and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video.